How to remove products in TikTok Shop affiliate. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to unlink or remove a specific product from your affiliate marketing. So let's check out our affiliate marketing over here. Now, right now, I don't have any products that I could remove, but I will show you where you will be able to find the option. So there are different sections where you could have possibly added a product. So first things first, let's check out the open collaboration over here. Under the open collaboration, basically, this is where you will be able to simply upload your product and showcase it in the marketplace for other people to view and see if they want to do an affiliate with. And in this section, you will be able to modify it similarly with how you would modify or manage products under your product sections over here in the home page. This is what it would have looked like. As you can see, you will be able to see your all or added products, and you will be able to bulk action and edit a specific product, or you can select a specific product to modify. And inside that option, inside the bulk option to edit, you will be able to remove those products. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.